So how to make free money from crypto airdrops. So how to make money from crypto airdrops. So I want to show you guys how to make free money from crypto airdrop. What is an airdrop? An airdrop is a process where the project gives out free coins to those who participate in a certain project. So today we have a project from Binance. It's called Binance MOONBIX. So this project is from Binance. It is the first Binance project to give out airdrop. Binance has never given out airdrop, so this is the first time Binance has given out airdrop from this project called MOONBIX. So what Binance wants to correct the users of Telegram. There are so many, almost 1 billion, and transfer them from Telegram to Binance, so that Binance can hold more people. So how to participate in this Binance project is the link will be in the description. You can go and click on the link on the description or in the comment. So how does an airdrop work? This is how an airdrop work. So if you have let's say for example I have 96,000 MOONBIX coins. They are called points, they are not yet coins. So let's say the listing of Binance MOONBIT will be tomorrow, and the conversion have been done is to 1:1. So I will be given 96,855 coins, MOONBIX coins. So when this coin will be listed, I will be able to exchange my coins into USDT or into your own fiat currency, e.g. Kenyan shillings, Nigerian currency, or Indian rupees. You'll be able to exchange your money for from your free project. That's how an airdrop works. It is very simple to participate. It is free for everyone, as long as you just do your part and claim daily. So how does this Binance MOONBIT works? This is a game, a very simple game. You just click on the game and collect those points. After you collect those points every day and every day. So this Binance Books has a leaderboard. If you check on the leaderboard, you'll see that not many people has a lot of mini coins. So you can see the first person has only 500,000 coins. That is the first person. So you can tell that this coin will be scarce, and if you manage to get 100,000 coins, you'll benefit a lot. You can get up to $200 to $300 for free. So in Kenyan shillings, that is 20,000 to 30,000 for free. So you can also click on task. When you click on task, you can do those tasks. If you have a Binance account, just bid the Binance account and you'll get 10,000 more points. So if you click on friends, when you invite a person, you get an extra 10% of what he gets. If he gets 1,000, so as you can see, I have 36 friends and I have gotten the 3,000 points. So guys, let me show you about the game, how to play the game and accumulate as much points as possible. So if you click on play game, the page will load, and this game is actually simple how to play it. Everyone, even a child, can play. You just press the right place at the right amount of speed. This is how you collect points. It is very easy. Sometimes it do hangs a lot, so bear with me. Just collect enough coins, like 200 coins per game. You are given only six attempts, so you have to accumulate as much as possible so that you can be able to gain like 1,200 per game. You make sure to take that box. So as you can see, I've collected 120. So that's how you play this game, and you can see my balance is increasing. So that's how an airdrop work. You participate in the project, and you will benefit in after. So Binance has confirmed this is their project, so you shouldn't miss this at any cost. So the next video I'm going to do about a project called Bram tomorrow. It is from X Binance managers. So you can see, if you get those two projects and participate in those two projects, you may earn up to $300 both the project. So guys, this is how an airdrop work. The link is in the description and in the comment, and if you have not subscribed, subscribe to this channel for more free airdrops. So goodbye for now, and take care guys.